does it take to get test results?
It depends. So if we go through the county lab, they've been pretty much able to turn it around within 24 to 48 hours. There are two commercial labs that have kind of stepped into action now, Quest Lab and LabCorp. And so it's generally taking 6 to 7 days to get those results back. Now, there's been a very positive recent development. So as of last Friday, we'd really almost reached a critical point in terms of the specimen collection kits that we had available. We literally were down to 130 kits. And those kits have a solution in them, and the name's gonna Universal Transmission Medium, I think it's called, UTM. And as of last Friday, any specimen we collected had to be placed in one of those kits. And the two commercial labs and the county lab would accept nothing else. They had to come in there. And so now we're going, okay, we're about to run out. And so we were literally just going to limit to inpatients and only those that we really thought were positive for COVID. And so not being able to test anybody else. Either on Friday night or on Saturday, the county, with the blessing of the CDC, changed their protocol to now allow the specimen to come over to them in a saline-based kit. We have thousands of saline-based kits. So overnight, we went from having 130 on Monday to literally having now thousands of specimen kits. And we just heard yesterday that Quest Lab is now accepting saline-based specimens. So this now gives us greater testing opportunities. So we can test, many more inpatients. We can test our physicians, our residents, our employees, and community members that generally meet the criteria. And then also, there are advances that are being made in laboratory testing every single day. The or I guess in this case, the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, they're the agency that approves the testing, methodology and equipment and so forth. They have now, I think, approved up to 19 different testing proposals that have come their way. And so it is quite possible in the not too distant future that Kaweah Delta's laboratory will actually be able to perform the testing right here at Kaweah Delta. With, as I talked to our lab director, literally within hours, having the results back in hours and being able to process up to 40 collections per hour. So that's very encouraging news.